Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss acute shoulder pain. For acute shoulder pain, we can use acupuncture on the shoulder pain 2 point. We can use acupuncture on the shoulder pain 1 point. Use acupuncture on the stomach 38 point. Deep to penetrating to the UB57 point. You can also use acupuncture on the Jianqi point. We can use acupuncture on the shoulder back point, too soon away from the tailbone. We use acupuncture on the heart 7 point, plus one of the following points, LI2, if the pain is worse when the person stretches the arm out. SI3 if the person feels more pain when bending the arm back to touch the shoulder blade. Or Sanjiao 3 if the person feels more pain when touching the head. Ask the person to lift the arm or shoulder to let the pain come out and keep the posture. Use acupuncture point on the pain spot with the needle along the muscle fiber direction above about 2.5 soon in depth. Ask the person to move the shoulder 50 times. If this spot has no more pain, but there is a new spot, do acupuncture the same way. Then ask the person to lie on the side with the shoulder up. Puncture the LI15 point. Keep the needle in place for 30 minutes. Use cupping on the painful spot. Use acupuncture on the SI9, Sanjiao 14, and LI15 points, plus the Ashi point with one or two of the following points, GB21, SI11, LI10, or LI11. You can also use bleeding therapy plus cupping. On the lung 5, LI11, or pericardium 3 points, choose clear veins and use the triangle edge needle to leak out about 5 to 10 ml of dark blood. Do cupping on the point for 5 minutes. Repeat the bleeding and cupping after 10 days. Use acupuncture on the Jianqi point. For males, the point is 0.5 soon above the root of the penis. For females, it is the lower edge of the synchondrosis pubis. Use light stimulation. You can also use acupuncture on the SI11 point. Stab the SI11 point first, lift the needle up under the skin, turn the needle tip toward the DU14 point, and then lift the needle under the skin and turn to the shoulder direction. Then use acupuncture point on the Sanjiao 3 and stomach 38 points. Thank you for your attention.